So we shall solve one examination problem. Write the schematic and stick diagram for Boolean expression y is equal to a plus bc whole bar and implement with CMOS logic. Okay, we shall first implement the schematic, then later when we take up the stick diagrams we will implement the stick diagram. Okay, so the expression is y is equal to a plus bc. So for NMOS, dot is series and plus is parallel. So first we shall have the NMOS circuitry wherein we have two NMOS in series. Okay, this is my first NMOS and this is my second NMOS. Okay, and which are in series? B and C. So this is B and this is C. Fine. Now this is in parallel with A. So I shall have one more NMOS. Correct? And the input is A. So this is A. Okay. So the NMOS circuitry is connected between the output and the ground rail. Okay. So that's why we shall short this source. Okay. And I shall connect this to the lower voltage rail or the ground. Okay. So as I have mentioned earlier, you people show a connection dot here. Okay. Then the output is also, the drains are shorted. Fine. So this forms, so from here you will take the output. So this forms your NMOS circuitry. Okay, arranged as a pull down between the output and the VSS. Then for PMOS it is exactly opposite. Okay, so dot means it is parallel and plus means it is series. Okay, so I will have two PMOS, one and this is two. Okay, so these two PMOSes are in series or in parallel, sorry, B and C. So this is B and this is C. Okay, and this BC is in parallel with A. So I will have a circuitry in parallel and this is A. Okay, so your PMOS circuitry will be between VDD and the output and this will be arranged as a pull-up circuitry. Okay, so in that case I will short this. Fine, and let me short this also. Fine, and this is the drain connected to the VDD. Fine, so from here we will take the output. So I will have a connection here between these two. Fine, control. Okay, so here you will have the output as Y. Output is Y. Fine, So this is the schematic for y is equal to a plus bc whole bar. Okay, we can give some values for this and check out whether what you have written is correct or not. Okay, for example, if I give a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 0. Okay, so the output will be equal to 1 because 0.0 will be 0, 0 plus 0 will be 0 and 0 bar will be equal to 1. Okay, so let's do that here. So 0, it's not required, it's for your verification I am doing this. 0, 0, 0 and 0. Okay, now as you can see, NMOS will be in off condition, all inputs are 0 and all the PMOS will be non-condition. So the output will be connected to VDD and you will get the output as y is equal to 1. Okay, so once we are done with the schematic, we can next write the stick diagram. Okay, thank you.